Ladies and gentlemen, Assalamu alaikum. It's very long after I am here. So I always prefer to speak about the nation, about Pakistan. So ladies and gentlemen, it's a very great observation that I have seen people going to the parks, working out, and exercise. So it gives a lot of benefit to the people, especially I am around Rawalpindi, Islamabad. So there's an awareness about exercise. I have seen huge number of people working out early in the morning, running, making different sort of moves. And that's a positive sign about Pakistan. Healthy nation. We have to increase our parks, but decrease the hospitals. Although the hospital business is very high, but the major responsibility of the fitness industry is to promote the fitness. If we promote the fitness, if we promote the food and nutrition, diet and nutrition for the human being, we work on that agriculture side, we respect our agriculture and farms and the people working for us. All those farmers, they are the best part of our health. So we have a lot of salute and respect for those farmers who are farming, who are cropping, who are cultivating or making something productive for us, the food, the vegetables, the crops that we cut every year, and that ultimately goes to our digestive system. We eat it as a rizq of Allah. But what makes me, on the other hand, the dark side, that is the cleanliness. The cleanliness and maintenance, we are lacking on that subject. If we go to any hospital, if we go to any company, any organization, we have no time management, we have no maintenance, we have no cleanliness. So being a Muslim, it's written that taharat, or making yourself clean, your environment clean, it's crucially important. Having a park and clean uniform, clothes, wudu and everything, shower, and when you're intercoursing, all those sort of things, and then what are the processes, all those procedures. But as a ummah, as a Pakistani, we are lacking on these cleaning and maintenance side. So we need to improve that side. It is not limited to the mosques. It's the wide meaning for that. And particularly in this matter, even the Maulvis are lacking. Yes, they never speak about agriculture, they never speak about development, they never speak about greenery, they never speak about making around the mosque some fruits, vegetables. We have the fruit trolleys, but we don't have the fruit trees, the plants. Yes. So I hope one day this nation will realize that we will start destroying our buildings and producing crops, producing plants, producing fruit. So that's the most important thing, guys. So every Pakistani, I am requesting everybody in the past videos and in the present and in the future, that if you want to protect your environment, you have to give back to the garden by cleanliness. Let's cover our gutter lines. Let's don't spit everywhere. Let's don't throw the trash. So that's let's don't make our air pollution. The air which has given to us, blessed us by Almighty Allah Ta'ala, the beautiful nature which has been given to us, but we as a human beings, we have destroyed the earth. Either it's on the industrial side, or either it's on the construction side, either it's on the road construction, building construction, and the oceans we are destroying. It's terribly impacting our health. So due to that, we can see the birth of kids, the newborn babies. They are coming out with some sort of disease. So that's how we have made our environment already so polluted. So if you want to go by the sunnah of the Holy Prophet, this is my humble request to everybody to start cleanliness, to start protecting your environment, start protecting the air, start reducing the air pollution, the traffic, the bikes and other sort of vehicles we are using. We should start using chemical free means of transportation. At the same time, we have to reduce the gasoline and all sort of things. So let's go more natural if you want the healthy Muslim society, and that's how it was the teachings of the Holy Prophet. So we have already noised that, we have already blurred that message, that lesson, that teachings from the Holy Quran, from Almighty Allah Ta'ala, and from the Holy Prophet and all the other saints. So the cleanliness is the main factor. So that's how taharat is, that's how we purify ourselves. That's extremely important to every Muslims to understand this. So it's not only your body or your personal hygiene, it's your other factors, the wide range of the cleanliness and taharat. That's crucially important for the human being. Stay tuned and share this video to everybody guys, come on.